So what the challenge is, again, is you're messaging at least 10 people a day. That's the minimum. If you're going to go big, some people ask, Aaron, how did you go 50K your first month? I was messaging over 100 people a day.
Yeah.
Every single day. That was a little crazy. I'm not saying that you have to do 100 people a day, but we want to help you get results. So you got to go at least 10, go for more if you can. Do 10 in the morning, 10 in the afternoon, 10 in the evening, plus all your follow-ups. Yeah. And by the way, Kendall says, don't get in Facebook jail. I've never been in Facebook jail for messaging too many people. So you don't have to worry about that. If you message a lot of people, they'll just give you a warning. They'll make you slow down. Facebook jail comes from when you post on Facebook and you talk about the truth, stuff they don't want people to know about, then they stop. And I'm like, I need people to know the truth. Stop. And then they put you in jail. So message people. Somebody says, this is good. If you message 50 people, you'll get blocked. Someone said, let me address that. Okay. I've never, ever been blocked or put in jail or anything for messaging people. Here's how. Number one, you don't message 50 people in 5 minutes. That's a red flag, right? You do 10 people, wait a few minutes. Do 10 more, wait a few minutes. That's the first thing. Space it out.
Yeah.
Number two, always use their name. Mm-hmm. If you're just doing a paste, that could get you in trouble. Yeah. But if you use their name in each message, it's a little bit different. That's number two. And number three, never send a link in your initial message. Those are the 3 rules. If you follow those 3 rules, I'm 99% sure you'll be fine. You'll never get in trouble because I've sent hundreds of messages per day and I've never gotten in trouble with Facebook. So one more time, use their name so it's unique. Mm-hmm. Only do like 10, wait a few minutes, 10 more. So you're spacing it out. And number 3, never send a link in your initial messages. But if you're copying and pasting a bunch really fast, then you can get in trouble.
Yeah, you got to change it up.
So yes, there you go. Somebody said they copied 50 messages in like 10 minutes.
And boom.
That'll do it. You got to space it out a little bit.